Am I audible now? Okay, so if it's audible, then let's continue. Fine. So we want this thing. Okay. Uh, so we have probability of x less than or equal to 39 days. So we want to calculate this thing wherein we say that this is probability of z less than or equal to 39 minus 34 divided by 1.94. 39 minus 34 divided by 1.94. How much is that? Just put it on our WhatsApp chat. How much is this number? 39 minus 34 divided by 1.94, because I need this number for probability calculation. How much is this? 2.58. Okay. So we have this as 2.58 as the z value. So if I draw a normal distribution curve for this, here यहाँ पे will be having 0, so probably 2.58 यहाँ पे रहेगा. So we need this entire region. We need this entire region. So how do we get this entire region? For that we'll have to look at a normal distribution table which will give me the probability value, for this 2.58. So any normal distribution, let me just visit a normal thing. See normal distribution table. You can just get it from anywhere, even in the exams it will be given to you. So in the normal distribution table, this is the normal distribution table. The value which we saw, जिसका value निकालना है, that is 2.58. So for 2.58, let me just bring up the normal distribution table in front of you. So for 2.58, for to a normal distribution value of 2.58, 2 point, okay, Arjav ne wo samne, he has even placed it on the WhatsApp group, or else you can even look up over here 2.58. So here 2.5 is the column. Heading over here, you will see the entire row is for 2.5, but what we need is 2.58. So 2.5 and 8 over here. So this particular row for 2.5, so the probability for this is 0.4951. 0.4951. But remember, that probability is only for this region, that is 0. Over here 4951. 0.4951 is the value over here. So basically 0.4951 is the value that we want for from 0 to 2.58, but we want this entire region. So obviously this much portion we know it is 0.5, so the answer is going to be a sum of both 0.5 plus 0.4951, which is 0.9951 is the probability. So similarly, if I ask you what is the probability of x less than or equal to, let's say 37, I want you to try it out and give the answer on the WhatsApp chat box. What's the final answer for this? So you should be like, probability of z less than or equal to something. That should be 0.5 plus how much? 0.5 plus how much? 0.4394. Is it? Just verify. Should be 0.9394. 0.9394. Okay, maybe I'll just give you one more for practice. Maybe x, suppose it is less than 30. If you want to calculate this, that should be probability of z less than or equal to how much? How much is this z less than or equal to? If I say it is x less than or equal to 30, if you convert that to z, that calculates to how much? I mean, it should be 30 minus 33, 33 or 34, 34. 30 minus 34 divided by 1.94. So that should be probability of z less than how much? Should be 4, or I can say minus 4 divided by 1.94. That is z less than or equal to how much is it? Minus 4 divided by 1.94. Minus 4 divided by 1.94. कितना है? Minus 4, minus 2.06. Okay, minus 2.06. Now इसका probability निकालना is going to be a bit different task. So here when you draw the normal distribution, your minus 2.06 will be on this side, and we want this much region. So we want this much region. So for that, it should be simply 0.5, which is this entire region is 0.5. उसमें से we are going to reduce, from that we are going to reduce the value, or I can say z value of 2.06. 2.06. So इसका एरिया मुझे निकालना है. Z value of 2.06, we can get it over here. Z value of 2.06, 2.06, 2.0 under column 6, 2.0 under column 6, which is like 0.4803. 2.06 to under column, that is 0.4803. So we say it is 0.5 minus 0.4803. 0.5 minus 4803. 0.0197. Yes, 0.0197 is the final answer for it. Okay. One last thing that we'll do for today, that is, what is the probability of What's the probability of, or rather I say probability of x less than some days is suppose 0.95. Probability of x less than some days is suppose 0.95, or 95% chance that the project will be completed on a particular day. So when we have such thing, probability of x less than or equal to a is 0.95. How do we get this a? The procedure still remains the same. We need to convert this z less than or equal to a minus mu was 34 upon 1.94 is equal to 0.95. So when we draw the not the network, normal distribution curve, this is our point a minus 34 upon 1.94. Point a minus 34 upon 1.94 is plotted, and this entire region is said to be 0.95. It means this is 0.5 and this one is 0.45. So one portion is 0.5, another is the 0.45. First half is 0.5 and the second half is 0.45. So I need to write this thing as probability of z from minus infinity till 0 plus probability of z from 0 to a minus 34 upon 1.94 is 0.95. So I just wrote this as a bifurcation. मतलब ये पूरे एरिया को मैंने दो पार्ट में तोड़ा. One is the 0.5, another is the other region is from 0 to the requisite point. So we know this is simply 0.5 plus probability of ये जो value होता है, this is our z value of a minus 34 upon 1.95 is 0.95. So I can say z of some value is 0.45. That is after bringing this 0.5 on the other side. After bringing this 0.5 on the other side, we say z value of a minus 34 upon 1.95 is 0.45. Now I need to look at from the table as to z value of what is 0.45. So let's just look into the normal distribution table. We'll find that we have got 0.45 over here. 0.45. We'll find it over here, which is under the row 1.6 and 0.05. Right. So we can say that z value of 1.65, z value of 1.65 is 0.45. Essentially a minus 34 upon 1.95 is 1.65. So since this is equal to this, so of course even the z value should match. Accordingly we say a is 1.65 into 1.95 plus 34. So a should be approximately 37 days. That should be approx 37 days. So when you simplify it, you will get the answer as approximately 37 days is the answer. That within 37 days when you want to complete the project, there the probability comes out to be 95%. Okay, so this is the type of PERT questions which you may have. One is first calculating the probability for the given days. The other thing will be like probability will be given to you and you are supposed to calculate the days. So with that, let's stop this live session today. See you next time. We can discuss over the WhatsApp group which topic we'll be taking up in the next session. Okay, so let's stop here for the day. Have your lunch, prepare for your exams, and wish you a very, very Sabuki Christmas, not only Merry Christmas. Bye bye, everyone.